What is up, Wholesale to Me and family? I'm gonna do something a little bit different today. I'm actually gonna show you some of the houses in my area and how much it goes for. Today I'm gonna show you $1 million home, what it looks like in my area. But this is the neighborhood, the newest neighborhood that's being built. And just right across the street, it's actually my house. I bought my house back in 2007, November, top of the market. I paid $350,000 for it, all right? And then all of a sudden, 2008 summer, boom, it drops down to, I think, $300,000. And then in 2009, it's worth around $275,000. But in today's market, my house goes for about $600,000. And my house is just right down there on the left-hand side of that big water towel. All right, it's a four bedroom, 2 bath, all right, 2,400 square feet. It's a little bit outdated because I bought it back in 2007, but let's compare it to the $1 million home up here. How many bedroom and bathroom is this one, Ralph?
This one, 3 bedroom, 3 bath.
3 bedroom, 3 bath, and it's a split level?
Yeah, so
okay.
So you've got a basement and then the master on the main floor.
Okay.
And then the other 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms up.
Okay, and how many square feet?
3,260.
3,260, and what's the price tag on this one?
This one is 1,150,000.
1.1, and you guys gotta check this house out. It's beautiful. Thank you, Ralph. No, all right, you guys, come in. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. I mean, anything that's built by Ralph Black here is absolutely incredible. All right.
Enjoy yourself.
Okay, sounds good. So obviously this is the front entry. All right, this is the front entry here. Check out the front door. Beautiful. All right. Welcome. So this is the front tile floor. Obviously it's nice. To our right, I guess, is I'll take off my shoes here. Typically we're Asian, we like to get our shoes off. Like I don't know how you guys can stand wearing shoes inside the house. Shoes are meant for outside. Come on, man. Shit. But this is the first bedroom. All right. I mean, it's decent. It's not big, but I think it's a decent size. And then here's the bathroom. Okay. And this is a, so this is, he said 3,200 square feet. All right, and it is a split level. So let me know if you guys like split level houses or not. But I don't really feel the layout of this house. I think split level is good for those of you. Here's another bedroom. So typically when you build something that is underground, what you need to do is you need, obviously the window, it has to be above grade and has to be big enough to consider that a bedroom. Otherwise, if it's not up to grade, this would not consider a bedroom. But obviously this is considered a bedroom. And the reason I point that out is because if you guys do remodel, make sure you take that in considerations. It's sometimes the house that are built older home, you might have to cut into the concrete to make the window large enough because it has to be an emergency exit. So that window has to be big enough for a person to crawl out in case of any fire. So obviously we just have a standard closet here. Now everything that I'm sharing with you guys, talking about houses and constructions and things or code and all that, when I first started in real estate, when I was 27, when I first got into the game, I knew nothing. So everything, you know, obviously I've learned. I've been in the game for about, 10 years. So here it is. I think this is a closet underneath the stair. We'll turn on the light. So basically when you first walk in the front door, to your right here, so you can walk out into the garage. Obviously this house still hasn't finished yet, but it's already sold. Where we're at, inventory is very, very low. All right, so typically when something goes on the market, it just sells, and most of the time it even get overbid. So, okay, so you walk in 2 bedroom, all right, and then now you're gonna walk up the stairs, and this is the reason why I don't like the layout of this so much, but it's perfect for those of you who wants to, live upstairs, rent the bottom, so house hacking is perfect, right? So now you walk upstairs, this is the main living room. So this is the main living room, and I'll show you guys upstairs. So here's the living room. We've got the nice fireplace, and it's supposed to have a nice view, and this is why it's $1 million. But the bad thing about this is that, as you can see, you're supposed to see a nice water view of Puget Sound, but you can't because it's kind of blocked by those houses already. So yeah, this is the one downfall for this house. I don't like the flooring. I don't like the color of this laminate. I definitely like how he did tile surround here around the fireplace. Man, I like this granite, but the thing is, this is just one whole piece. What I would have liked to see is I actually would have liked to see this facing that way. So when you cook, you can actually see the view a little bit, but I think it will be way better instead of having it this way. And I would like to see a sink here. All right, a sink in the middle. I mean, it's just me, but I would like to see a sink in the middle, or maybe the cooktop is in the middle, but I prefer probably a sink. I don't like the cabinet's color, man. I would prefer this to be white, just to match with this, and then the handle to be black. We've got the dishwasher here. Obviously, here's the sink, cabinets, and this. The refrigerator, so typically it does come with appliance, and appliance does include a refrigerator unless otherwise negotiated by the builder. So this is the main living. So let's see how many bedrooms we got here. So we got, this is probably a 3/4 bath. I would think this is the master bedroom, or one of the master bedroom. Nice big windows. Got some sunlight comes in, love it. Here is the master bathroom. We got, all right, so this is for the towel. The tile, man, the tile, like, to me, it's too light. Should be more darker, because the cabinet's already light. This should have been darker, so it brings out the cabinet color, because the cabinet's already white. Stand-up shower. I like it. Glass door. Very nice. Got the he and the she, so which is nice. This in the middle. Kind of alright. I don't know if I prefer that sitting in the middle, but it doesn't bother me too much. There we go. Oh, walk-in closet, of course. Walk-in closet, decent size. It's decent. But to be honest with you, so far from looking at this house, I don't feel it's a $1 million house. And I understand that the market value has skyrocketed where I live, and I'm sure where you live as well. I mean, real estate is extremely hot right now. But I've seen a $1 million home in my area, and I gotta say, it's nicer than this. So we got the bottom floor, we got the main floor, and this is why I'm saying this house here is good for house hacking, right? So which means you can rent out the bottom, you can live upstairs, or maybe you live in the bottom and then you rent upstairs, but you guys all share the same living room and the same kitchen, or maybe you have a big family, right? And typically Asian, East Indian, we have big families, and we all move in, and then we save our money, and then you see them move out and they each get their own house because saving, right? So now we're going upstairs. So this is the 3rd level. So house hacking is perfect, or you have a big family, this is perfect. Here is, so this pretty nice size bedrooms. And this bedroom here is nicer, right? So you're up here, this should have been the master. Because look, you get a nice view of Puget Sound, right? So you're up top. And this is why these houses up here cost a lot, because of the view. Just a regular closet, not anything special. Man, I think right here he should have done something a little bit better. Maybe have a, but because of the roof, so I'm thinking maybe a built-out little balcony or something. But because, like, what are you gonna do with this? If you want to go look at a view, what? You gonna stand? Come on, man. Shit. Are you just gonna come out here and do this, or maybe I don't know? Maybe he put a TV or a computer or something right here. I'm not sure, but. This, to me, this is kind of a waste of space, to me anyway. Okay, so here is another bedroom, and I think this is a, let me see here. Okay, so this is just a bedroom with a walk-in closet. And I gotta say, I'm not feeling the layout of this house. And And it's not super nice where it feels like it's $1 million house, but I mean, I understand the value has gone up. So here's the bathrooms. Oh, this is nice. So this is a shared bathroom, right? So we got here the tub shower. Man, once again, I don't know, like, I'm not digging the tiles. I'm not digging the tile surround. This, dude, this with this color, come on, man. Shit. I don't know who designed, like who picks out these stuff, but I'm not feeling, look, like check out these design. I don't know, man. The backsplash could have been a lot better. Could have been a different choice. Like, once again, when I first started real estate, I didn't know that these would call backsplash, so. But I know a lot more than I used to. So here's another bedroom. So there is no master bedroom up here. So 3-bedroom up here, I think, right, Nathan?
Yep, 3-bedroom.
Yep, 3-bedroom up here. So once again, you know, this is perfect if you have a big family or you want a house hack. Live upstairs, rent out the bottom, and then you guys both share, you know, obviously the main floor, which is the living space here. But that's pretty much it. Comment down below. I mean, let me know if you like it or things that I point out that you agree or disagree. But to me, if I had $1 million, I can buy a better house in my market. It probably won't have a view, but it's gonna be a lot nicer. And if you wanna see one of those, like a really pimp, nice one, comment down below and let me know. All right, let's see what $1 million house backyard looks like. Probably not what you expect, all right? It's not that big. But listen, because I know that probably in New York or in California, this house here, probably worth, I don't know, $5 to $6 million. But as you can see, not much of a yard. All right, if you enjoy that and you want to see more of it, make sure to boom, smash that subscribe button. Also too is boom, smash that thumbs up. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care and ciao.